my channel. Another beautiful day in my, well, not so beautiful now, huh? Baby's acting up. Yes, so let me show you guys. I'm about to make some coffee. Well, I already did. Oh, it's the Veranda blend. And then I've got extra creamy oat milk in here that I used my frother to make it nice and foamy. And I mixed this in. So it's nice and fresh. Smells amazing, it tastes amazing. So here, let me just, ooh, almost spilled it everywhere. Nice, beautiful cup of coffee. It's really good. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up, right? And then, oh, struggle. It's not coming off. And then, right, what we're doing today, because we are deep cleaning and gutting the entire place. So let me work on this. I'll be back. So the plan today is just to deep clean, organize, declutter, throw away almost a quarter of everything that's in the apartment. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna drink my coffee, write down what I need to do and get done, because I like to visually see it. Joshua's like, that's kind of backwards, but whatever. Yeah, and then we'll check back soon. On my way out to Target, guys. In the beauty section. Check it out, guys. All the lashes I need. It's so hard to just keep walking straight and not turn towards anything else. Parents. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Guys, let's go. Let's go. This is bad. It's bad enough when I'm in the store. It's bad when she's here too. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end Vlogmas Day 12 right here. I'm sorry it's not much footage, but we literally have been cleaning, organizing, decluttering the whole entire place. And quite frankly, it's super late. I should have already uploaded by now, but I'm sorry. I got sidetracked, distracted, and super busy. So say goodnight, guys. Good night. They're eating McDonald's. Oh, my heart. Yeah, so we'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 13.